Good morning, traders. Welcome to the Asian preview and the North American wrap from PrivateerFX. There's a headline that just came out about 30 minutes ago or so that the Senate GOP tax bill could delay corporate tax cut by a year and make other big changes that would break sharply with the House's plans. So there's a little bit of risk off in S&Ps, off about 3 handles, and dollar yen has come off about 20 points. We're approaching this 113.70 level. Take a look here. You can see here's the hourly. We get kind of a head and shoulders pattern on the hourlies. That was after here's this 114.73 blow off high on that that was on the open on Monday morning in Asia. And then you see we came back down and tested it here. So we're connecting a few lows, this horizontal and a little bit of an uptrend that we're just under here on the hourlies. We're looking for this area. If this area goes, we think we get a deeper pullback. We had that old spike low down at 54. We had another one down here at 63. And you see these long wicks that we've talked about, all the circled candles are these long wicks where we get these big bounces. And generally we're getting rallies in Asia and dollar yen, with the Nikkei continuing. It's on about a 19% rally over the past month or so. But if we do get a clean break here of this 113.70, I think that there's no reason we can't go back down to this 113, the figure, which was last week's low. So we're watching this closely. We're just above this area. Let's see if maybe they may run some stops, but I am wary of the dollar yen dip buying mode that seems to show up every Asian session, and it is a little bit early here before the equity markets open. Let's move on to take a look at some of the reversal patterns that we had today. Here's an Aussie yen. This is another risk off type move. We did have an outside reversal, lower bearish engulfing day in Aussie yen, and you can see we're a little bit lower again on this tax news. There's a couple lows down here at 86.70. If that goes, again, that could be probably be more dollar yen driven. That'll be going for some of these dollar yen stops below. As you can see here, Aussie's caught a little bit of a bid. Euro's back above 116 the figure. Sterling's back up to the 200 hour, 131.75. So you're seeing some dollar selling on this tax news that came out. Here's an interesting chart. We had a doji watch. I put this out earlier today because it was a perfect doji. At one point we did close, we made a new high for this entire move up, and this is still on the Saudi and the Middle East tensions of we've had this parabolic move up in oil. We did have a reversal day, so we're going to be watching this closely, see if there's any sort of pullback, and maybe the tensions in the Middle East ease a bit and you can see a pullback in oil because it has had a good run up. Dollar Swiss, again, we highlighted the crowded dollar Swiss longs. It's not doing anything. Here's the daily, 99.40, 100.40 on the wide. We do like this break trade. This would be a risk off kind of safe haven buying Swiss francs type move, but again, it's pretty much stuck in a range, so we're not touching that. Aussie was interesting. We failed again up at this 200-day moving average, pierced it barely, and then had an outside reversal day lower, and actually the lowest daily close here at 76.43. It's the lowest daily close of this whole move down off the 81.20 highs. So still looking bearish. We'd like to see this 76.25 level go. We got down to as low as 28 today. That would be if we can break through this important support level here, then we'll continue to retrace this up move since June. Euro yen, going back to the outside reversal lower day that we had on Monday's trading session. we had a little bit of a rally here earlier in North America. This is our key line down here, 131.45. We want to see that break for further acceleration lower. And then New Zealand dollar, another red bar day inside the previous day's range. We're rallying a little bit here on the Asian Open, but you know, the market is well short Kiwi dollar. We have the RBNZ coming out this week, so we need to watch this, and we expect some movement here after the RBNZ. As far as economic data, it's very, very light calendar here in the next trading day. We've got China trade balance this evening, which could cause Australian dollar to move around a little bit, but not expecting much out of that. And nothing really in the European time zone, and then just some second and third tier data coming out of the U.S. and then the RBNZ is tomorrow, early Wellington in the afternoon, North America afternoon. So that should do it. Keep an eye on this dollar yen. We're very close. 113.71 last. Seem to be a few bids around for now, but you know, it seems like if we can get a little bit of an equity sell-off, S&Ps are down at 25.80 on the lows of the session here. Perhaps we get a bit of a pullback. Good luck, and we'll speak to you on the European Open. Cheers.